Why is MiraBurst a game changer for diabetics and pre-diabetics? As a diabetic or pre-diabetic, you are searching for the best ways to help manage your blood sugar and even possibly reverse your diabetes without medications. Scientific research shows that insulin resistance is the core, often preventable risk factor underlying prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. When insulin resistance occurs, the body cannot properly use its own insulin. As a result, blood glucose increases above a critical value. Healthy eating habits, including reduced consumption of sugar and processed foods with increased consumption of fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, are the backbone for reducing insulin resistance. Unfortunately, cutting down on sugar consumption is not an easy task since we are all addicted to sugar and sweets. So, how can we practically and easily cut down on sugar and still satisfy our sweet tooth? MiraBurst is here to help. MiraBurst can help in different ways to reduce insulin resistance and improve your body's sensitivity to your own insulin. As a natural taste modifier, MiraBurst makes healthy, low-sugar fruits, foods, and drinks more enjoyable to consume every day. As a superfruit, Miracle Berry is rich in polyphenols and other antioxidants that help improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar. It helps in different ways to improve gut microbiome and gut health, which leads to improved insulin sensitivity. In addition, MiraBurst helps manage cravings for sugar without any associated insulin spikes. With the help of MiraBurst, lemon water or apple cider vinegar in lemon water turns into sugar-free lemonade that helps improve the body's sensitivity to insulin and helps reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. To experience the taste-modifying effect, allow one mini square to dissolve on your tongue to activate the taste buds before consuming your sour or tart fruit, food, or drink. If you or someone you know is a diabetic or borderline diabetic, MiraBurst is surely there for you. Help your social circle of friends, coworkers, or family members by sharing this video with them. Try MiraBurst today for free. Just pay for shipping and handling. We are confident that you will love it. Available at miraburst.com.